How to record your computer screen with OBS. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to record your computer screen with OBS. To start, open and locate your OBS software. This is fairly easy. All you gotta do is locate the Sources tab. Once you locate it, go and click on the plus sign and tap on Display Capture. Once on Display Capture, click on OK. And then it should automatically capture your PC screen. Now, in this example, it's actually shown in automatic. Now just click on OK. Another example with OBS is going to the Sources tab once again, and then clicking on plus. You can now go to Video Capture Device to capture your webcam to show your face. Now click on OK. It should show the integrated webcam. So that's it. It's fairly easy to use OBS software. You have learned now how to video capture device and capture your whole screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share.